If you want to fix incoming calls not showing on POCO M8 Pro, what you can do is, first of all, you can check if you have Do Not Disturb mode activated. So you can, for example, use volume up or volume down in order to open the media volume panel, and then you can check this mode. It should be deactivated, which means that the DND mode is off. You can, of course, also add the DND button to the control center, so you can always keep track if DND is on or off. Or what you can also do is you can go to settings, and then over here go to sound and vibration, and then in here we can find Do Not Disturb. So this is how you can check if DND is on or off. Now, if DND was not the reason why you cannot see incoming calls, then what you can do next is you can go to additional settings. Sorry, not additional settings, my bad. We want to go to apps actually. And then in apps, we're gonna tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and choose to show all apps. Now in here, we're gonna search and we're gonna type phone. There we go. Let's hide the keyboard. We want to go to the hyperphone over here. We want to clear the data and clear all data. There we go. Let's go back. Now we can go to the phone app. And in the case of the phone app, we want to force stop it. We want to clear all data. We want to also go to app permissions, and you want to make sure that these permissions are granted. And you can also go to notifications in order to make sure that everything is enabled in here. And once we are done with that, we can go back and go to phone and messaging storage. You want to clear data or clear cache if you cannot clear data. Then we're gonna go to phone services, clear data in here. There we go. Let's go back. There is also Xiaomi phone, so actually in this case we cannot clear data, so never mind. Now we're gonna also type call, and there is manage calls option, and we want to clear all data of that app as well. Alright, so now that we are done with every app in here, what you can do is you can restart your phone, so reboot it quickly, and then you want to open the phone app to make sure that it is actually running. And you will notice that the style of the phone app now is different. This is the previous style of the app, which some time ago has been updated, but after like some time, like maybe after an hour or so, the app should be updated and it should go back to the new style again. Nevertheless, you should not worry too much about it. It should still work just fine. And now we can check if incoming calls are finally showing or not. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.